we have a great example here of two awesome milkweed species right next to each other. So this is Asclepias incarnata, or swamp milkweed, and here is the Asclepias syriaca, or the common milkweed. You can see the difference between the cymes, is what they're called, the balls in which the flowers bloom from, and really the main difference, the thickness of the stem, leaf shape. But as you can see here in a wetland, or former wetland, a very dry one, they're growing side by side. So all you really need is the Asclepias tuberosa, or the butterfly milkweed, and that rounds out the trifecta of great milkweed species. So it's cool to see these two growing literally right next to each other. These are about to bloom. Some of the syriaca is blooming around the area right now. Really looking forward to this. This is my favorite plant of all time. But again, really cool to see these in close proximity. Cool variants of the same genus. So just as I was looking around, right after capturing the Asclepias incarnata and syriaca, I turned around and saw the butterfly milkweed. It is not hard to miss. That very poppin' orange color in the flowers. So it does round out our awesome Asclepias variants out here. And this is the butterfly milkweed. And this is one of my coworkers' favorite flowers. And this really pops. Wow. Pollinator, magnet. Butterflies love it. You can see all the little sweat bee on there. Got some beetles. And milkweed is just some of the coolest plants you can find. Such high wildlife value. Awesome to see. This individual is the whorled milkweed, or the Asclepias verticillata, another host plant for the monarch butterfly. Loves the dry prairies, it's very, very drought hardy. It's native to much of the eastern US, and it's called whorled milkweed due to the spiral configuration of the leaves. That radial symmetry is super cool to see. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this milkweed variant exploration video. It's so awesome to see such an array of butterfly host plants in the same ecosystem. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great rest of the day. And as always, if you like the videos, let me know in the comments. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share these videos for more exposure to such cool species. Thanks, everyone.